Hello everyone, welcome to Infinite Curiosity. The world of photography and videography has seen a massive boom. With smartphones in every pocket, capturing moments has never been easier. Social media platforms like Instagram and YouTube have turned everyone into potential content creators. Photography and videography have become mainstream, reaching a wider audience. People are documenting their lives, travels, and passions like never before. High-quality cameras have become more affordable. Editing software has become user-friendly. This means anyone can start their journey into the visual arts. The barrier to entry is lower than ever. But with so much content out there, how do you stand out? It's all about understanding the basics and then adding your unique touch. Even beginners can create stunning visuals with the right tips and tricks. Let's dive into some essential advice to help you get started. First, get to know your equipment. Understand its features. Read the manual. Watch tutorials. Know what your device can and cannot do. Experiment with angles. Don't just shoot from eye level. Try getting down low or finding a higher vantage point. Shooting from different perspectives can transform the vibe of your shot. Natural light is often the best light. Golden hour light can make your photos look magical. Practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The more you shoot, the better you'll understand what works. One common mistake is not checking your settings before shooting. This can lead to overexposed or underexposed images. Always check your ISO, aperture, and shutter speed. It only takes a few seconds, but can save you from disappointment later. Another mistake is poor composition. The rule of thirds is a basic principle that can help. Imagine your frame is divided into 9 equal parts. Place your subject along these lines or at their intersections. This creates a more balanced and interesting image. Over-editing is a pitfall many beginners fall into. Less is often more. Too much contrast, saturation, or sharpness can make your images look unnatural. Aim for subtle adjustments that enhance the original photo or video without overpowering it. Lastly, neglecting the importance of storytelling is a big no-no. Every photo and video should tell a story or convey a message. Think about what you want to say with your shot. This will make your work more engaging and memorable. Practical solutions for common mistakes. To avoid overexposed or underexposed images, use the histogram on your camera. It's a graph that shows the distribution of light in your photo. Aim for a balanced histogram without spikes at either end. This ensures a well-exposed image. For better composition, practice makes perfect. Take multiple shots from different angles and perspectives. Review them to see what works best. Over time, you'll develop an eye for good composition. Don't be afraid to crop your photos later to improve the framing. If you struggle with over-editing, start with small adjustments. Use tools like brightness, contrast, and saturation sparingly. Zoom out frequently to see the overall effect. Compare the edited image with the original to ensure you haven't gone too far. To enhance storytelling, think about the elements in your frame. What do they add to the story? Remove anything that doesn't contribute. Use leading lines to draw attention to your subject. Capture emotions and actions that convey a narrative. This approach will make your work more powerful. Editing basics. Editing is where you can really bring your photos and videos to life. Start with basic adjustments. Correct the exposure, contrast, and white balance. These simple tweaks can make a big difference. They help your images look more polished and professional. Next, move on to color correction. Adjust the colors to make them more accurate or to create a specific mood. For videos, this process is crucial to ensure consistency across different shots. Use tools like color wheels and curves to fine-tune the look. Cropping and straightening are also important. A crooked horizon can ruin an otherwise great shot. Straighten it out and crop to improve composition. Don't be afraid to cut out distractions. This can help focus attention on your main subject. Lastly, consider adding some creative touches. Filters, vignettes, and selective adjustments can enhance your work. But remember, less is more. Aim for subtle enhancements that complement your original vision. Editing should enhance, not overshadow, your photos and videos. Software. For beginners, simple and intuitive software can be very helpful. Adobe Lightroom is a great choice for photo editing. It offers powerful tools and is user-friendly. You can start with basic adjustments and gradually explore more advanced features. For video editing, Adobe Premiere Pro is a popular choice. It's professional-grade software, but also accessible for beginners. There are plenty of tutorials available to help you get started. If you're looking for something simpler, try iMovie for Mac users or DaVinci Resolve, which is free and very capable. Mobile apps like Snapseed and Vesco are excellent for on-the-go editing. They offer a range of tools and filters that can enhance your photos quickly. For videos, apps like InShot and KineMaster are user-friendly and powerful, perfect for editing on your phone. Choosing the right software depends on your needs and budget. Start with free or affordable options. As you gain confidence, you can invest in more advanced tools. The key is to find what works best for you and your workflow. Continuous learning and creativity. Photography and videography are ever-evolving fields. There's always something new to learn. Stay curious and keep experimenting. Follow other photographers and videographers for inspiration. Join online communities and participate in challenges. This will keep you motivated and help you grow. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Try new techniques and explore different genres, whether it's portrait, landscape, or street photography. Each has something unique to offer. Diversifying your skills will make you a more versatile creator. Remember, creativity knows no bounds. Use your imagination to create something unique. Your personal touch is what sets your work apart. Keep pushing the limits and exploring new ideas. Over time, you'll develop a distinctive style that reflects your vision. In conclusion, the journey of mastering photography and videography is a rewarding one. With continuous practice and a willingness to learn, anyone can improve their skills. Embrace the process and let your creativity shine. The possibilities are endless, and the world is waiting to see your story. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.